Hey guys, I wanted to quickly show you something. Today in class, you're going to need to print out some job applications for one particular job that you want to pretend to apply to with your real qualifications. So when you log into the computer, you can go down to the little file folder that you see down here on the bottom in the menu. And if you click on that, it'll bring up a new window here. And over on this side, you may have to click on this thing that says computer. If you click on computer, you might have to scroll down depending on kind of the view that you have. But there'll be a drive that's got your name on it. That's your server space. And there's also a drive that's shared, this portal drive. You want to click on that, and you want to go to high school class shares. And you want to go to my last name, and you want to go to first semester. Pick your class period. So if it was fourth period, I'd go to fourth period. And then this time, instead of putting something in the to be graded folder, I want you to access this fourth period student data files. So in here, you'll find a folder called application resources. This is where I've put these practice applications for you. The different ones are here. So there's one for GameStop, Safeway, Wendy's, and Zumiez. The Safeway one is actually 4 pages long, but you don't need to fill out the last 2 pages, so you can just do front and back for the first 2 pages. So let's look at that one as a sample. So if I pull up this application, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller here. You can see that it starts out with personal information. They ask about references or people that you are related to who have worked at Safeway. Asks about your availability. Wants to know about your education record, references, and a little bit of employment history. And then down at the bottom here, there's like a kind of identifying survey for different information about yourself. You don't need to fill this part out. So if you were doing the Safeway one, you would only want to print pages 1 and 2. So you'd click on the print icon, and depending on kind of what pops up for you guys, the printer that you want to access is called High School 101. If you need to, you can you can change it to say Seymour's printers if it's not showing it to you, or you can ask a neighbor to be able to help you out a little bit. But you want to print to High School 101. That's my black and white printer. And you want to tell it that you just want to do pages 1 and 2. So you can just do 1-2. And then I think it saves paper if you do print on both sides instead of printing, 2 pieces of paper. That way it's on the front and the back. So you can click print on both sides. If you want more than 1 copy in case you screw up, you can print 2-3 copies. That's fine. Obviously a lot of people are going to be printing to the printer, so just be patient, and if yours doesn't come out, try it again. Help each other, but just wanted to make this quick little video to be able to show you how to access the applications as well as how to print them for when you're practicing in class. Thanks. Please help each other out. I really do appreciate that with the sub here, finding these resources and making sure you know where to get it. And if you know how, show your neighbor how to do that too. Thanks. Bye.